नुरी और आपका आचूरे।
स्वागत है।
आज जो वीडियो हम देखने जा रहे हैं उसका टाइटल है
माई हीलिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन द ओल्डेस्ट आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल।
अभी कल ही मैं इसके बारे में डिस्कस कर रही थी, आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ों के बारे में। लगता है सुन लिया है एआई ने। एनीवेज देखते हैं वीडियो, लेकिन उससे पहले
इस वीडियो चैनल का ओरिजिनल लिंक आपको हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा। सब्सक्राइब के लाइक शेयर को फॉलो करें। इनकी चैनल को इसके अलावा ब्लॉग चैनल के इंस्टाग्राम लिंक भी हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा। सब्सक्राइब के लाइक शेयर को फॉलो करें।
चलिए देख लेते हैं वीडियो।
So 4 people are rubbing oil on me right now.
And this is one of the oldest hospitals in the world for Ayurveda. It's the third oldest hospital.
So first they put rice in the potli, then they dip the rice in hot milk. Looks like chocolate paste all over me. Chocolate जैसा दिखता है.
मैं बेड रेस्ट पे थी 1.5 years.
So your body hurts.
For no reason, to the extent that I cry. I've been pain free for 4 days.
Oh, since you've come here, you've been
Yeah.
pain free for 4 days.
Yeah,
Is it because of the
yeah.
food, you think, or is it because of the massage?
It's the massages, yeah. It's
Yeah?
the massages and the cure, the medicine.
Really?
Yeah, and the motions and everything. I was not flexible now. Within 3 days, I am more flexible.
Really?
Yeah. I was breathless when I used to early.
So the medicines are working too, I think. Everything is working basically. It works like magic.
And here there are all these jari bootias, all these things.
पूरा
Pura.
धारा लेपम then this one milk
साउथ में है।
The water is like
होता वैसे ज़्यादा साउथ में ही है ऐसी
It's
चीज़ें।
so nice. It's like a resort. And people are lovely.
Yeah, you make
nice.
friends.
Friends, yeah.
It's a community.
It's a networking community.
Yeah. I've been hearing about this place for a long time. So I checked into this hospital in Kottakkal and here's my experience. Oh no, we're on our way to the hospital, the Ayurvedic hospital, but okay, the car moved. Tiny little lane.
अल्लाह।
साला।
So this is what the room looks like. This is my hospital room and I'm paying 3,000 rupees a night for this room. It's very basic. You know, there's a little kitchen over here. Not that I'm going to cook. Some kind of balcony over here. And I have an attached treatment room. And this is what the treatment room looks like. So as you can see, it's extremely basic, but it is a very famous hospital and I am really looking forward to my treatments. And let's see how it goes. Would you check into a hospital? Wait. Oh, that must be the doctor. I was waiting for the doctor. Hello, doctor. Hi. Please come in. Hi. Oh. How are you? Good. How are you? I forgot to tell you, I have a lot of knee joint pain. Knee and ankle joint pain.
Wherever the specific joint ache or something, we treat specifically for that also.
Okay.
We have a special kind of bandages, poultry, everything.
Oh yeah.
But we have different kinds of medicine. We are boiling with the milk and all.
Great. Can I do
So many
that for my
different.
knees?
Yeah, let's try.
They're all
As per your illness, we treat. Yeah.
Natural.
Yeah.
And now we'll go for lunch.
Yeah, you go for lunch.
And do we have to tell them specifically what to eat or
Patient thali.
patient? Oh.
I love the smell. The Ayurvedic oil smell is so good.
Going to get my thali. बहुत भूख लगी है.
In this restaurant, the water is like this. See, it's red. It's not cold
red
water.
pearl.
It's hot water with this red liquor. I'm gonna ask them. what
कुछ
this is.
डाला होगा ना?
वो क्या मालूम है वो आयुर्वेद का मेडिसिन है और गर्म पानी में ये थोड़ा डालने
ऐड
का
करते हैं,
और
boil
अच्छा
करके।
है क्या मालूम है हमारा थ्रोट का हेल्थ का और भी अच्छा है
Really? क्या है ये? Look at this.
अच्छा से
So interesting.
So this is my food. This is my inpatient thali. Looks very wow. If I eat like this every day, I'll really be a skinny girl. So I'm sure it's tasty too. Let me try it. How lovely. So the doctor did puja on me before my first treatment. oil on my head. You put oil on my head? Ah, okay. I love, oh my god. Oh my god, love the smell. Thank you.
Abhyanga
हाँ
oiling.
So I have a knee issue, like a little cartilage problem, and that's why I wanted to come here. And they're treating my knee by putting medicated oil on it, and see how they cover my knee like that. तो यहाँ पे लोग स्किन के लिए, पैरालिसिस के लिए, आर्थराइटिस के लिए आते हैं और फिर जब जाते हैं ठीक हो जाते हैं. Wow. And that's why I love my India. There's so many alternate treatments for things like homeopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy. You don't get pills for everything.
फेस बता रहे हैं सुकून मिल रहा है.
All of the world should come to India to get treated and not just take pills. Okay, so how long have you been coming here?
It's 4 years actually.
This is
Fourth
your
year,
fourth year?
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And every year you come here?
Yes.
Wow. And so what do you love about this place?
The vibe and the Ayurveda treatment, it's very pure form actually.
हॉस्पिटल के बारे में vibe.
Original one.
Yeah, original one.
Yeah?
So
Why did you come here? What ailment do you have?
actually I have a pre-arthritis and fibromyalgia, and I have a migraine issue also.
And what is
Fibromyalgia is a muscles problem. Yeah. So if you have a muscle problem, you have like
Like the muscles are weak?
yeah, muscles are weak and it's paining like anything.
Really?
Yeah, it's paining like anything.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And then you come here and you're fine?
Yeah.
Just with the massages?
Just massages and like few medicines they given me. 2021 I guess मैं bed rest पे थी 1.5 year because of my these problem. And allopathy medicine doesn't suit. Yeah, because all the doctors are said कि if you have a pre-arthritis, so you have to come for the Ayurveda. वो because allopathy में आपको सिर्फ पेन किलर्स दिया जाता है.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे ये स्टॉप कर देगा, वो मेजर पे कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. Yeah.
Amazing. And
Yeah.
it works.
It works. It works like magic. At least 14 days.
How
Yeah.
many days are you here to
14
stay?
days.
14
Yes.
days. And every time you've come for 14 days?
Yes, yes, every time.
Amazing.
So 4 people are rubbing oil on me right now.
Potli massage.
So they have urad dal, til, postgram. So basically they're rubbing me with all kinds of pulses and dals in the potli. And that's good for my hormone. They put hot oil on my body and now they're rubbing the rice with the hot oil all over me. It feels amazing. It's pretty cool, my 4-hand potli massage today.
Do you think you can cure hormonal issues and all when they come here?
See, it is not just directly hormonal issues, but the issues one suffers from with modified lifestyles and Ayurvedic medicines.
And so can you tell me about Vata, Pitta, what about?
I think mostly you are Vata Pitta combined probably.
Vata, Pitta combined. So what is Vata, Pitta? Because they told me I'm Vata, Pitta. Is that good?
Vata Pitta is very much essential for the existence of the human body.
Yeah.
All the movements of the body is regulated by Vata.
Okay.
Whatever you do, whatever small things,
Okay.
so it represents the neurological system of the body.
You know, Pittas are good, but if you want to make a best friend, it has to be a Kapha. Kapha is the earth. Like Pitta is fire.
Like a grounded person.
Very grounded, they make great friends. The worst ones are Vata.
Air. Why?
Because they will be with you one day and they'll forget you the next day and they'll go to somebody else and they'll withdraw.
So how do I know if my friend is a Vata, Pitta or a...
Okay, so here's the trick. If they're too skinny and they have slight darkness in the face, like you have this shiny thing going, so if that is not there, and they're skinny and they're constantly fluttering and talking,
Is they talking too fast? Oh, my ladies have come to take me for my massage. What is this, rice?
No?
No? What is the paste? Greens. Moong.
Greens. Kala til, methi, urad dal.
Methi, urad dal. Wow. I haven't eaten anything yet, but my body has. Oh my god, how will I walk?
Oh yeah, you can. Do I look like a Japanese girl?
अच्छी लग रही है ना.
कूल मिल्क तीसरा लफ्ज काफी मुश्किल था. अच्छा ये वो अक्सर आप
relaxing
बात भी
करता हो।
करती हैं।
जैसे ऑयलिंग भी होती है ना,
हाँ,
मतलब
टिप
तेल
टिप
की
करता है,
धार।
हाँ।
oil and now I think they feel like I need to calm down so they put milk,
हाँ,
cold milk.
कल मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को ही बता रही थी, लेकिन आज मैंने दूध वाला देखा, ये नया मेरे लिए।
Welcome to Kottakkal Ayurvedishala, the abode of Ayurveda,
Okay.
authentic Ayurveda.
Yeah, and this is one of the oldest hospitals in the world for Ayurveda. It's the third oldest hospital, right?
Yeah.
Service to the society is our motto. That is why we are a trust. We work as a trust, and we try to reach out to maximum so that the benefit of Ayurveda spreads across people.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
This is a super deluxe room. It's 8,000 rupees.
It's 8,000 rupees. This is the traditional veranda. There is a chair there. Yeah. Yes. This is it. This is the living room. The living room, and this is a bedroom here. This is the dining area. This is the dining area. There is a small, yeah, naturally there is a kitchen here. Small kitchen.
मतलब जो
place.
ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल है वो।
Small kitchen place.
And there's a
All
nice
tradition.
therapy room.
Wow. Why did I stay in the other room?
Here again, in one of these rooms, Rahul Gandhi came for treatment.
Really?
He was there in that room.
No way. When?
Yeah. 3-4 months back, former President Ramnath Kovind was here.
Wow. So when Rahul Gandhi came, regular people were there? Or they
As
were-
usual, as usual.
So this is where they make the magic potions.
Yeah, these are all for inpatients. For today's preparation, everything is made ready. So various kinds made ready.
Various kinds of things.
Things for like dhara, lepam, then this one milk preparation. Lot many are there. This is another kind of preparation.
Look inside.
Okay, right. Okay. This and
ठीक है।
All the magic.
मुझे तो बस चावलों के अलावा और कुछ समझ नहीं लगी क्या है।
paste. This is a paste. Various kind of paste to be applied on the portion as advised by the doctor. All written name. Jayadeva. Wow. Right.
And here there are all these jari butiyas, all these
Pura.
things.
Pura.
Pura. It's all made here.
Any particular like ailment that you're here for? or
Yeah, just for my weight loss.
Weight loss. Okay.
Yeah.
And is it helping? Do you feel?
Yeah, it's helping. me a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I was not flexible now. Within 3 days, I am more flexible.
Really?
Yeah.
Flexible like in
Flexible
terms of-
like in terms of walking and all that.
Oh,
yeah.
that's amazing.
I was breathless when I used to earlier. Yeah, now
and 3-4
I'm.
days you're walking. What are you here for?
Fibromyalgia.
Which is?
So it's basically you don't know why, but your whole body hurts.
Okay. So,
So,
your
yeah.
body
आजकल
hurts.
सबको ही होता
For
है।
no reason, to the extent that I cry.
Oh my god. So,
So,
like everything.
Everything. Now I've been pain free. I was just telling my sister-in-law, I've been pain free for 4 days.
Oh, since you've come here, you've been
Yeah.
pain-free for 4 days. Just by them pouring hot oil on you.
And there's one more thing they do called dhara. They keep putting
Shirodhara.
Shirodhara.
On your hair. So your hair is constantly oily over here. So don't mind our oily hair.
Yes.
Oh, and
Yes.
it's really helping you, huh?
It is.
So
Yeah,
is
I'm
it because of the
working
food, you think, or is it because of the massage?
It's the massages, yeah. It's
Yeah?
the massages and the cure, the medicine.
Really?
Yeah, and the motions and everything.
So their medicines are working too, I think. Everything is working
Wow.
basically.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, that's amazing. It's so nice.
It's
right?
so nice. It's like a resort, you know,
Yeah.
and you don't have any boundaries like, oh, you can't go out, you can't do this, you can't do
Yeah,
that.
yeah. You can get a
They
gate
give
pass
any-
and
वैसे लग भी नहीं रहा
you can get
हॉस्पिटल
a
ना।
gate pass.
हाँ
And people are lovely.
Yeah, you make
nice
friends.
Friends, yeah.
It's a
You-
community.
It's a networking community.
Yeah, in the evening everyone's
In the
sitting
evening,
around
yeah.
and everyone's nice.
Nice, yeah.
So now they're putting the rice in the potlis and then they'll massage me with the rice.
ये कैसे राइस है ना?
Potlis.
ब्राउन
How
राइस है ना।
interesting.
पता
मैं
नहीं।
एक bite खा सकती हूँ? Just joking.
I didn't know rice had healing powers, but apparently they do.
मिल्क में गरम करके फर्स्ट पेशेंट के बॉडी में ऑयल अप्लाई करके करता है, मसाज करती है.
So first they put rice in the potli, then they dip the rice in hot milk. Looks like chocolate paste all over me. Chocolate जैसा दिखता है.
I feel these Ayurvedic guys really know what they're doing. Why take allopathy? Why go and stuff ourselves with other kind of medicines that are harmful for us when we can take medicines from nature? And it really works. all in all, Kottakkal was an incredible experience. I'm definitely going back for Kerala Ayurveda. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
स्माइल बहुत प्यारी है ना?
हाँ, मुझे तो वैसे स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे एक ना साउथ की एक्ट्रेस हैं, उनकी झलक आ रही थी इनमें।
तो ये भी तो मूवी में आई थी ना, इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार, शाहिद कपूर के साथ।
सही।
हाँ, तो ये भी एक्ट्रेस हैं।
सही, मैं लग रहा था, लेकिन मैं कंफ्यूज था थोड़ा सा इस चीज़ को लेकर।
एक्चुअली अब हम बात करते हैं आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल के बारे में। मुझे आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। नहीं मतलब हॉस्पिटल अच्छे नहीं लगते, लेकिन ये कि अगर कभी कोई मसला हो जाए तो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ें जो है वो इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अब मुझे पता नहीं है कभी, बट मैंने ये ज़रूर सुना है कि जैसे होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन के बारे में जो बात होती है वो ये होती है कि उसका जो असर है ना वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होता है। जो एलोपैथिक होती है उसका जल्दी तो हो जाता है, लेकिन फिर बाद में उसका असर ख़त्म हो जाता है और वो बेसिकली आपकी बॉडी को नम ही कर रही होती है। अच्छा नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा साइंस झाड़ूंगी तो वो गलत भी हो सकती है, तो फिर उसके बाद फिर मुझे ईमेल्स भी आ सकती हैं कि भाई आपके बहुत गलत कॉन्सेप्ट हैं। सो भाई जितना मैं सोच सकती हूँ मैं उतना ही बताती हूँ। बट मुझे ये ना एंशियंट जो ट्रीटमेंट है मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, स्पेशली मसाज। मुझे लगता है कि आपकी बॉडी को ज़रूरत होती है मसाज की, क्योंकि आजकल का जैसा हमारा खाना पीना हो गया और जैसा लाइफस्टाइल हो गया है, उसमें तो मुझे लगता है कि वाकई में जैसे हेड मसाज बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है। और जिस तरीके से ये मसाज कर रहे हैं, लाइक आपको फील होता है कि जितनी भी वो नेचुरल चीज़ें इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए बहुत अच्छी होंगी।
यार अभी जैसे मसाज देखा ना, उसे देख के ना दिल कर रहा था कि अपने ऊपर भी ना कि ये चीज़ें अप्लाई जो है
पैसे खर्च करो खुद ही हो जाएगा।
हाँ, इसमें कोई शक नहीं भाई, पैसे खर्च करे तो जो है कुछ भी आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हाँ आपके मसल्स रिलैक्स होना जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। अभी हमने इससे बड़ी देर पहले वीडियो नहीं थी देखी, वैसे एक रील देखी थी जिसमें जो है ना आपके यहाँ पर वो ऑयल जो है वो टिप टिप करता है, तो हम अक्सर बात करते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्सिंग जो है ये चीज़ जो है वो होगी।
और नाभि पर भी मैंने देखा है कि ऑयल की ऐसे धार, पता नहीं टिप करता है या क्या करता है ये नहीं मुझे पता, बट मैंने कुछ ऐसा इससे रिलेटेड देखा है।
अच्छा, वो जो है वो मैंने जो है वो नहीं देखा हुआ, लेकिन भाई मुझे जो है वो क्योंकि मेरे भी मसल्स जो हैं कुछ एक ये वाला और थोड़ा सा बैक का जो मसल है इसमें अक्सर जो है वो पेन जो है वो होती है। तो मैं ये देख कर ये सोच रहा था कि अगर ज़िंदगी में कभी मौका मिला तो मैं ज़रूर जो है आयुर्वेदिक मसाज जो है वो लूँगा, ताकि मेरे भी जो मसल है ना ये थोड़े रिलैक्स हो, मेरी बॉडी थोड़ी फ्लेक्सिबल भी हो।
बाकी 3000 और 8000 मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो मुझे तो वैसे महंगा ही लगा है, क्योंकि 3000 अगर देखो तो कम नहीं है पर नाइट स्टे करने का, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली उनकी सुविधाएं ऐसी हैं तो जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं वो वहाँ पर जा सकते हैं।
मेरा ख्याल है वो 3000 में देखा जाए तो सारी चीज़ें जो अंदर होंगी वो इंक्लूड होंगी ना उसमें।
वो तुम्हारी बात ठीक है, बट एक नॉर्मल बंदे के लिए आसान नहीं है ना इतना 3000 पर नाइट पे करना, जिसकी इनकम आपको लिमिटेड नज़र आती है। हाँ, ये चीज़ कि कितनी सीटिंग में आपको जो है वो आराम आएगा ये मेरा ख्याल में ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, कि फिर तो बंदा जो नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं वो भी अरेंज कर ही लेते हैं। लेकिन एक और चीज़ मुझे ये भी मतलब पूछनी थी कि लाइक जैसे इन्होंने दो ही कैटेगरीज दिखाई, या तो 3000 वाली दिखाई या फिर 8000 वाली दिखाई, तो जो बाकी लोग होंगे जिनके पास इतने पैसे नहीं होंगे, वैसे बीच में उन्होंने बात की भी कि मतलब वेलफेयर की बात की भी उन्होंने, तो फिर उस तरह से भी ट्रीटमेंट होता होगा।
मैं यही बात करने लगा था कि ये तो उनके लिए होंगे जो अफोर्ड जो है वो कर सकते होंगे, जो नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते होंगे उनके लिए भी ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ जो है वो होगा, क्योंकि मोस्टली हम आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट को देखते हैं कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं होता, काफ़ी जो है ना अफोर्डेबल उसकी जो है प्राइसेस जो है वो होती हैं। अच्छा, वैसे एक और मैं बात पूछना चाहूँगा कि आयुर्वेदिक का जब आप ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं तो आपको उसी जगह पर जो है वो रहना पड़ता है, या अगर उस शहर में आपके कोई रिश्तेदार वगैरह हो तो आप उनके पास भी रह सकते थे ट्रीटमेंट लेने आ जाए?
बचाने के चक्कर में चलो,
अरे पूछ रहा हूँ,
वो रखे ना बेशक, मैं बस बता रही हूँ,
रखने वाले रख भी लेते हैं।
चलो एनीवेज मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, सब्सक्राइब करना जरूर।